Apart from the distinction and processing frequency issues that we're talking about relative to oral language processing, that when we talk about reading, we're talking about something else, which is how all that works in relation to this code.
That's right.
Because on the one hand, we've got these distinct elements, which are required. On the other hand, before we get to wherever we're going, we've got to assemble them.
That's right, back together.
They have to go back together in some way, in which if there's ambiguity in the distinctions, it has to be processed through in the assembly. So the more that there's ambiguity in between that, the more there's time consumed in working it out.
The truth is that reading is one of the more complicated of the higher cognitive functions, using attention and rate of processing and sequencing and memory and the linguistic systems and the visual system, and it having to coordinate this dance that's going on. And the more complicated the translation from the orthography to the phonology is in a particular language, the more complicated this processing dance has to be within the brain.